My name is Akash Ambure, and it's been like 3 months I have been placed in a Deloitte as a data scientist. I'm just sharing my interview experience at Deloitte. So there were 2 rounds, and first it was a technical round, and second it was a techno managerial round. In technical round, there were the questions on a Python. It were very simple and straightforward questions. After clearing that, I was called for the techno managerial interview. They asked me about my projects, how I proceeded with, and what is it about. They also asked me some questions on machine learning, statistics, theoretical questions about the teachers in Learnbay. They are very good, and I remember the Sundaram sir. He teaches machine learning, so it explained very clearly. If I'm talking about the support team, they are also cordial and helps a lot. There are one-to-one sessions where we can set up a call with the teacher, instructor, and ask our personal queries. Yeah, in Learnbay, they also help you doing the projects and guides you how to do it. So if I compare the mock interviews or the preparation with the actual interview, mock preparation is very much like way better than the interviews. I have prepared very well for the technical round because I was practicing on a hacker rank, as Learnbay said, and when I was doing the technical round, solving the questions there, it was very simple for me.